Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to add uncontrolled form in React application. Uncontrolled form is the one in which data is handled by the DOM itself. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. In header component, let's add a new state as is modal open. Add a method toggle modal to update the state is modal open and bind this method in constructor. Now, add a new nav component under collapse to add a login button that will call toggle modal on click. Above navbar, let's add a modal component and define state and method in it. We will add a modal header and modal body. The modal body will contain a form that calls handle login on submitting the form. Add fields username, password, and checkbox remember me using form group, followed by a login button. Inner ref used provides a reference to the rendered DOM element. Let's add handle login method and bind it in the constructor. In this method we will close the modal, alert the details entered in the form. Once done, let's refresh the browser and check. Let's click on Login button, pop-up form will open. Let's fill the form and submit. Now we can see the data filled in the alert box. So, we have seen how to add uncontrolled form in our React application. In this way a controlled form uses state to update input values and uncontrolled form uses ref to DOM to update input values. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.